Imagine that we would be able to print a bridge out of concrete with a printer. Well, actually, we already can. Recently, 3D concrete printing has gained significant attention. In contrast to regular concrete, 3D printed concrete requires much less energy to create. It floats less during production, is faster to assemble, and it uses much less material. 3D printed concrete really is a wonderful innovation. But before we can use it to its full potential, two challenges remain. One of the challenges, the printing mixture you need to print concrete, is still carbon and energy intensive. Another challenge is the strength of the 3D concrete itself. It is often inferior to regular casted concrete. Because the 3D concrete is built in layers, these issues hinder the growth of applications in the construction industry. We are working on developing a low-carbon recipe for 3D printed concrete to tackle the challenge of printing materials by using recycled cement and geopolymers. This will get the emission impact down. At the same time, we are also working on an optimal pore structure model, so we can get a strong material. We need a better mix to print concrete. Using recycled materials will reduce emissions, and a better pore structure will provide enough strength. And by researching that mix, we can make sure that in the future we will see more 3D printed concrete buildings than ever before.